Hey everyone, I'm Stephen Hicks with Uniglobe Travel Partners, and I'm here at the Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport in Atlanta to take you on an inside journey on what the travel experience looks like today. We'll show you the new health and safety measures in place to keep you traveling well, so come along. Our first stop was the off-site parking lot Parking Ticket. Parking Ticket has many measures in place to keep you safe and traveling well. Their buses go through an extensive cleaning process that involves fogging and a deep clean of high-touch surfaces. They have hand sanitizer and extra masks on board in case you leave yours at home. Parking Ticket is limiting passengers in each shuttle and blocking seats to create a safe environment. Upon arriving, I noticed the first of many hand sanitizer dispensers throughout the airport. If you prefer to check in at the airport, kiosks are being wiped down and sanitized frequently throughout the day. We recommend a touchless check-in experience via the Fly Delta app to limit your interaction with others. While in line, there are floor decals providing guidance for maintaining a safe social distance. All customer-facing employees have their temperature checked before reporting to work and wear masks or face coverings for your safety. The check-in counters and baggage stations are being wiped down and sanitized multiple times throughout the day. Most airlines are requiring face masks for all customers. Delta even provided me with a care kit containing a mask, sanitizing wipes, and hand gel. Next, we went through the TSA security screening check. TSA is using electrostatic spraying with high-grade disinfectant to help sanitize security checkpoint areas. Bins are being wiped down and sanitized frequently throughout the day. Customers are required to wear masks or face coverings at all TSA checkpoints, and TSA employees are required to wear masks and gloves at all times. To promote safe distance, social distance markers are present and alternating lanes are being used when available. TSA is allowing one liquid hand sanitizer up to 12 ounces per passenger in carry-on bags. All others are still limited to 3.4 ounces in one quart-sized bag. We recommend enrolling in TSA PreCheck, which allows for a less hassle experience. You save time and don't have to remove your shoes, belt, laptops, or liquids. For an even more seamless experience, you can use Clear, which uses facial recognition technology. As I boarded the plane train, I noticed more hand sanitizer dispensers and social distancing markers. According to the Atlanta airport, they've installed over 300 dispensers throughout the airport. After taking the escalator up to the terminal, I saw plenty of food options available. Because in-flight services are limited, we recommend grabbing something to eat before you board. You can always take your meal on the flight. The Delta Sky Club was open in Atlanta. The check-in experience was touchless with my mobile boarding pass, and the agent was situated behind a plexiglass partition. The food and beverage offerings were scaled back to individually wrapped grab-and-go options to keep everything sanitary. I received a notification through the app that my aircraft had been sanitized and inspected before boarding. To minimize contact, you'll notice they board from back to front, limiting to only 10 customers at a time. Plexiglass shields have been added at all Delta counters, including the jet bridge. I used the app to scan my boarding pass for a touchless boarding interaction. We recommend using disinfectant wipes on your phone after each scan. Remember, most airlines are requiring that their employees and all customers wear a mask or face covering. If you've made it this far without a mask, extra masks were available at the gate. Delta is using electrostatic sprayers with high-grade disinfectants at all gate areas and jet bridges. This electrostatic spraying is also being used to sanitize each aircraft before every flight. At the gate and in the jet bridge, there are plenty of decals present to promote safe social distancing. Hand sanitizer dispensers have been added near high-traffic areas at the gate. As soon as we stepped aboard, a flight attendant was distributing sanitizing wipes to each passenger. For a little bit more breathing room, select seats have been blocked and the total number of customers per flight has been reduced on all Delta flights. All tray tables and seat back screens are thoroughly wiped down and sanitized before every flight. Just to be safe, I recommend wipe down these high-touch areas when you get to your seat. And don't forget to wash or sanitize your hands once you're finished. Also, be sure to pick the window seat to avoid unnecessary contact with passengers and crew in the aisle. onboard bathrooms are being cleaned during the flight and extensively cleaned and sanitized after every flight. To reduce service touch points, food and beverage options are limited. Everyone on the flight received a snack bag which included a water, a few snacks, and sanitizing gel. Deplaning occurs from front to back as usual, and the flight attendants manage the flow of passengers to reduce any crowding. The same electrostatic spraying with high-grade disinfectant is being used to sanitize baggage claim areas as well. Again, at baggage claim, I saw more floor decals to promote safe social distancing. I also spotted a few more hand sanitizer stations near the baggage claim carousels. I think we're noticing a theme here. If you're a frequent traveler like me, I recommend enrolling in the National Emerald Club. With this service, I was able to proceed directly to the lot and pick any vehicle from the specified area. The only person I had to interact with was the cashier at the exit gate. If you prefer counter service though, they have partitions and social distancing markers for the check-in and queue area. Inside the vehicle, I noticed a hanging tag I hadn't seen before. This flyer outlined what National calls their Clean Pledge, a 20-plus high-touch point cleaning process. Once in Miami, I checked in at the Courtyard Marriott Hotel. I checked in the old-fashioned way, however, at many properties you can use their mobile app to bypass the counter and head directly to your room. The room had been cleaned thoroughly with hospital-grade disinfectants. Marriott is also rolling out enhanced technologies including electrostatic sprayers to sanitize surfaces throughout the hotel. All of the employees were masked, and I noticed lots of signage and hand sanitizing stations throughout the hotel. According to the hotel, amenities like the fitness center and the pool area are cleaned 3 times a day. While I went for my morning workout, it actually just finished cleaning. The full-service in-hotel restaurant was closed, however there are plenty grab-and-go options at the snack market in the lobby. To check out, I simply used the app and had the receipt sent directly to my email. The return process at National was very close to normal, other than the employee wearing masks and gloves. If you prefer not to interact with anyone, you can actually request a drop and go and they'll email you your receipt. On behalf of the entire Uniglobe family, I'd like to thank you for taking a minute to watch this short video. And just know, when you're ready to travel again, the Uniglobe team is here to serve you in any way possible. Have a great day.